Overview of trading ANKR USDT. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between profit targets. Entry point, 0.05453 to 0.06031. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.08335. Target 2, 0.10188. Target 3, 0.11789. Target 4, 0.13579. Target 5, 0.15589. Stop loss. Stop level, 0.03280. Important. Remember to move your stop loss to your entry point or previous take profit level after reaching any profit target. This helps protect profits and limit losses if the market reverses. Entry. Aim to enter after a pullback for a better buying opportunity. Risk management. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment capital for spot trading to maximize participation while effectively managing risks.